Welcome back to Stock Predictor, your trusted place on YouTube for clear, smart, and data-driven investing insights. Today's video is all about the top 7 stocks to buy now for high growth, strong momentum, and long-term upside potential. These are companies positioned for big gains as technology, consumer behavior, and global markets shift faster than ever. If you want your money working for you, if you want to be early, not late, and if you want to focus on stocks that could shape the next decade, then this is the perfect video for you. Before we jump in, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss my weekly updates on the market. Let's begin with why the next 12 months could be huge for growth investors. Inflation pressures are finally easing, interest rates are expected to stabilize, and companies with strong balance sheets are set to thrive. The market is shifting back toward innovation and performance, not just value and stability. That's where massive opportunity appears, especially for investors willing to look ahead instead of behind. The 7 stocks we're covering today are based on fundamentals, future market potential, revenue growth, and sector leadership. The first stock on the list is one of the most dominant players in artificial intelligence and advanced computing. This company is not just leading the AI revolution, it is powering it. Demand for AI chips, data center GPUs, and accelerated computing hardware is exploding across every industry. While a lot of companies use AI, this company builds the core technology behind it. Every advancement in large language models, autonomous vehicles, healthcare AI, and robotics requires the exact chips they produce. Revenue growth has been staggering, and analysts believe we're still early in the AI cycle. Cloud companies, government agencies, and enterprise clients are pouring billions into AI infrastructure. This stock isn't cheap, but high growth rarely comes at a discount. Long-term outlook: extremely strong. Our second stock is a massive player in cloud computing and software infrastructure. As businesses migrate their operations online, demand for cloud services continues rising. The company holds a leading position with wide economic moats, recurring revenue models, and unstoppable demand from enterprises across the world. With AI tools now integrated into nearly all their platforms, they are transforming into the backbone of digital business. Their subscription business produces predictable, high-margin revenue, and their AI products are driving a new wave of customer growth. It is not simply a cloud company anymore, it has evolved into a full-stack productivity and AI powerhouse. Investors love its stability, but what makes it exciting now is that future growth is just as impressive as past performance. Our third stock is a key player in cybersecurity, one of the fastest-growing industries on the planet. With cyberattacks increasing every year, governments and corporations are spending more money protecting their systems, data, and networks. This company offers next-generation security, threat detection, AI-based defense tools, and cloud security at scale. The world is becoming more digital, but also more vulnerable. Every organization needs strong cybersecurity, and this company is widely considered to be among the most advanced and reliable. Subscription growth has been outstanding, and expanded product offerings are generating higher margins. This stock is perfectly positioned for future growth because cybersecurity is no longer optional, it is necessary. The fourth stock on the list is one of the most important companies in the electric vehicle and clean energy ecosystem. Even if EV sales slow temporarily, long-term demand is undeniable. Global regulations are pushing toward electric mobility, and charging infrastructure is expanding everywhere. This company does not just sell vehicles, it also leads in battery technology, autonomous driving development, energy storage, and renewable technology. While the stock has experienced volatility, it is still at the center of one of the biggest technological shifts of the century. Investors who focus on the long-term picture see the company as more than an automaker. It is an energy and AI robotics company with massive innovation potential. Once market conditions stabilize, this stock could see strong upside. Our fifth stock is one of the fastest-growing companies in digital payments and fintech. As consumers shift toward cashless transactions, mobile banking, online shopping, and e-commerce payments, this company is becoming a key player in how money moves in the digital world. Their platform supports businesses, consumers, and financial services on a global scale. They've expanded into new regions, increased partnerships, and improved their platform to handle massive transaction volumes. Long-term demand for digital payments will only continue to rise, and companies that enable fast, secure, and global transactions will be major winners. This stock is one of the most reliable names in the fintech sector and continues to perform strongly despite economic cycles. The sixth stock is a leader in semiconductors, specifically those used in smartphones, laptops, 5G devices, automotive systems, and AI applications. Semiconductor demand is accelerating at a pace never seen before, especially with the rapid advancement of machine learning, connectivity, and automation. This company supplies chips to some of the biggest tech manufacturers in the world. Each year, the number of devices connected to the internet increases, and this company is at the center of that growth. Their innovation in chip architecture, energy efficiency, and processing power continues to push the entire tech industry forward. If you believe in the future of technology, cloud, mobile devices, and AI, then this stock offers massive long-term potential. This brings us to the seventh and final stock on the list, one that is quietly dominating the world of e-commerce, logistics, digital services, and cloud technology. This company has built an ecosystem so large and powerful that millions of customers use their services daily. From online shopping to AI, streaming, advertising, and cloud services, they operate across multiple high-growth industries. Their logistics network is unmatched globally, and their cloud division continues to be one of the most profitable and fastest-growing segments in the tech world. The company is investing heavily in AI-powered logistics, warehouse robotics, and digital advertising, which could significantly boost profits in the next decade. This stock may not seem like a traditional high-growth company, but the size of the markets they operate in gives them enormous upside. Now let's talk strategy. Investors often make the mistake of chasing hype or selling too early during market volatility. But long-term investing in high-growth companies requires discipline. These 7 companies are built on innovation, strong leadership, and massive global demand. They are not just popular, they are foundational to the next generation of technology and business. The key is diversification and patience. Not every stock will move at the same time, but over the long run, owning strong companies in powerful sectors has always been a winning strategy. Another major factor to consider is how these companies reinvest their profits. High-growth stocks typically pour money into research, expansion, and product development. That means they aren't quiet, they constantly innovate. These innovations attract more customers, raise revenue, and strengthen competitive advantages. When investing in high-growth stocks, you're not buying the company they are today, you're buying the company they will become in 5 or 10 years. The companies on this list are shaping AI, cloud computing, cybersecurity, fintech, semiconductors, renewable energy, autonomous driving, and global e-commerce. These industries are not slowing down, they're accelerating. Let's also talk about risk. All investments carry some level of risk, especially high-growth stocks. Prices may fluctuate, market cycles may shift, and external conditions may create temporary weaknesses. But it's the companies with strong fundamentals, powerful competitive moats, and consistent innovation that rebound the fastest. The 7 stocks mentioned today have proven themselves in tough markets and continue pushing boundaries in their industries. Smart investors use volatility as opportunity, not fear. Before we wrap up, let's highlight what makes these stocks stand out. First, each stock benefits from massive long-term trends such as AI, digital payments, cloud computing, cybersecurity, and renewable energy. Second, all these companies generate significant revenue growth and make continuous investments in innovation. Third, these stocks have strong leadership teams and clear visions for the future. And finally, these companies hold competitive advantages that few rivals can match. If you want your portfolio to grow, you need stocks that participate in the future, not ones that only reflect the past. These 7 companies do exactly that. Whether you're a new investor or someone with years of experience, this list provides a solid foundation for a growth-focused strategy. Remember, investing is about patience, research, and confidence in the long-term vision. These companies have that vision. Thank you for watching Stock Predictor. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment telling me which stock you're most excited about. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a video. More incredible investing content is coming your way. Stay smart, stay focused, and keep investing for your future.